Working with conflict's one of our workshop products, so it has 4 separate modules that really takes participants through recognising conflict and sometimes how that can be quite useful right through to practising an exercise where conflict is inevitably going to come into it. The participants do a number of things over these 4 modules, the last one culminating in a rehearsal activity where they use the T-Trade negotiation tool. Key learning areas for the groups using the working with conflict would be looking at how conflict develops and developing their own responses to it, and then having a practical exercise where they can really put this into practice. The trainer can use this workshop module either as designed, so run all 4 modules, or take any of them independently, and the materials contain sufficient resources to work with a group of up to 16 people. Learners will get some experience in actually looking at potential conflict situations and practicing their own responses to them. They'll get a chance to look at both passive and aggressive forms of conflict, and finally get a chance to participate in a group activity.